So I got this scenario. She snuck up. She's in between the original number 18 and 19. Number 17 is going to be shorn. Or are we going to let her sneak up one? I'm tempted to say let's vote on it, but I'm afraid to say let's vote on it. Let's vote on it. Who's going to let her sneak up one? Who says no, she's got to wait? Okay. All right. See, the answer is different depending on what we let her do or don't do. I will tell you the math problem is easier if you let her sneak up. If you don't let her sneak past one, the math problem itself gets rather more complicated. So I would say let's let her sneak up one. Okay, I don't know if you like that, but we can look at both cases and you can see what I'm kind of talking about with that. All right, so there's my my picture. What I want to point out is really these two right here, number 17 and 18 at the end, when 17 got shorn and she snuck past number 18, I want to show what happens with the division on that. So yesterday, Monday, I saw things like this when I walked around the room. Some of you did 50 divided by 3. Some of you did 51 divided by 3 when you solved the problem. Now, let's do the division and see what models exactly what happened in the picture. I know you know how to do long division, but this is looking at the numbers, what each number represents. Those of you who did division on Monday, why did you put, and those of you who put 3, right? Because some people put 2. Why did some people put 2? She's sneaking past 2. But that does not account for the one in the front getting a haircut. So the divisor should be 3, and this 3 represents the divisor of 3. I misspelled divisor, D-I-V-I-S-O-R. The divisor of 3 represents the 3 lambs of 1 shorn and Lisa sneaking past 2 others. So whether you're doing 50 divided by 3 or 51 divided by 3, there's my, I'll write it in red, the divisor. Some people say 51 and some people say 50. Okay, we'll look at both cases, but that's the dividend, the 51 and the 50. What does the dividend represent? The dividend of, let's say, 50 would represent the number of sheep in front of Lisa. What about those of you who went with 51? The total number of sheep, including Lisa. Now, I need to kind of give you the punchline here. the dividend, let me write this. The dividend of 51 would represent the number of sheep including Lisa. Assuming she's last in line. There might be some behind her, right? In front of and including. In front of and including Lisa. Okay, I got to give you the punchline. I'm afraid I'm going to lead you astray a little bit here. The 51 is not correct if you did it that way. But I'm kind of going through the different ways people work it and looking at them, dissecting them. We're going to look at why 51 is not correct. But I'm pretending right now either could work, but it's really 50 divided by 3.